this for fun.
Okay, now we're literally melting the brick.
So melting the brick.
And that's, what temperature is that, Cam?
2.5.
1,000?
About 2,500 degrees, melting the brick with a hydrogen gas weld.
If I hold it here, you're supposed to be able to drill a hole right through, aren't you?
Or you can. You probably want to back it up with some oxygen, something to push.
Yeah, push it out of the way. And then I can fill it up with steel, perhaps. So we'll have a steel.
Careful of the gas behind you here.
The what?
So let's see if we welded steel to brick.
Yeah, it's welding nicely, actually.
I would call it more fuse.
Well, it's blobbing nicely.
So what's that going
Yeah,
to look like?
it's fusing. But
Playtime at the phone.
sorry? But it is mixing nicely as you would, you know, do an actual weld. It's looks like it's actually bonding. I'll see if I can weld this bolt.
And who knows with a touch of oxygen to follow.
Yeah, yeah, well, that's
You know,
right.
it's-
Well, I could just got to hook it into my oxy set, and then we can do all that. But
Ah. So you welded steel to brick?
steel to brick. Oh, this is an old Brown's gas trick, but it's what everybody does when they get into this. We were doing this back in
Very
the...
few with that volume.
Yes, we have more volume than they did, huh?
Yeah, Les was doing this, you know, sort of way back, but, well, he had quite a decent Jenny going till it cooked. But,
In the next couple of weeks, I'll fix its sister. So
Oh, I see. So then you can feed 240 volts, huh?
240 direct in, get rid of the variac. Got 60 hertz to play with.
it welds quite nicely to brick. Yeah, I like this.
So let's just see how that cools then.
That welds as good as brazing.
There's a couple of things, Dan, that I've seen with gas. We can combust these gas in an oxygen-less environment. So continue to combust the gas underwater, and it will burn infinitum with it's got all the parts it needs, the oxygen and the hydrogen to do that. The other thing with a bit of feldspar that I just dropped up on the brick there, it will polarise the feldspar, so it'll give a magnetic potential, so it'll carry a positive and negative charge after you've removed the gas from it.
The feldspar will be
Feldspar.
polarized.
Yeah, so there's a bit of iron in it.
Wow.
So I first observed that because we were playing with magnets and aligned the feldspar to north and gave it a strong north polarity and moved the gas in that direction, which aligned all the iron inside, and a bit of feldspar then starts acting like a magnet.
So the feldspar stone becomes magnetic. That's quite a story. Fascinating. Thank you. Huh.
And
The
also,
possibility of burning underwater has huge potential.
Ah, that's the point. Yes.
Yeah.
So underwater welding.
in space.
Well, oxy-acetylene
Heating.
does that too.
Cylinder heating.
I see.
And that's what we're doing. We had a little element inside a litre of water, and we'd continue to burn the gas inside the element, which would then boil the water. So we're able to get some COP, some coefficient of performance-based data, which we did in a sealed fridge, and
Just so show you what the total thermal input-output was.
But it was all relevant to the material that was used in the element, because
see.
it transits to the temperature of the material. So if you put it on a bit of ceramic, well, it gets very hot.
All right.
Alright, well there's our weld. We don't know how good it is.
Take a look
It'll probably
there.
just break off. Rock solid. Whoops. But anyway, the bricks just fractured. But it, well, ouch, welds nicely.
Wow. Huh. Okay.
Turns it to dust.